Small and medium-sized manufacturers face persistent challenges in accessing and leveraging artificial intelligence that limit their ability to compete with large players. These include limited financial resources, small amounts of data, and heightened concerns over privacy due to the sharing of sensitive proprietary data. To address these constraints, researchers at the Public Interest Tech Lab propose a novel framework for sharing sensitive information with privacy guarantees so that manufacturers can benefit from new AI tools without revealing sensitive and strategic information. The key to this AI data community is a secure digital infrastructure known as MyDataCan. MyDataCan is a privacy-preserving platform that enables individuals and organizations to retain copies of their data with privacy and anonymity guarantees. It uses advanced techniques such as homomorphic encryption, secure multi-party computation, federated learning, and data tagging to ensure that sensitive information remains confidential, even during collaborative analysis. With MyDataCan, each company stores its data in a private can. No one else, not even the platform provider, can see it unless the company gives permission. Now, imagine many manufacturers uploading their data securely and combining it to solve big problems. They can work with researchers, share insights, and interact with solution providers, all without revealing the sensitive data or processes that make their businesses successful. This paper examines a taxonomy of 7 data commons models, including open data, data consortia, grand challenges, data as a service, and software as a service, and demonstrates how MyDataCan strengthens each model by integrating user-controlled privacy mechanisms and streamlined data governance. While there are other tools out there that let companies analyze shared data without exposing it, those come with limits, like a cap on participants, high costs, or technical limits. By contrast, MyDataCan incorporates a broader set of collaborative features tailored to smaller firms. It supports more users, more flexible data use, and it securely integrates researchers, companies, and solution providers into the same ecosystem. This enables groups of manufacturers to both contribute to and benefit from shared AI innovation without compromising the confidentiality of their data or relying on expensive external services. So instead of just storing data, the platform becomes a hub where ideas are tested, AI tools are built, and real problems get solved. The takeaway? By embedding the latest advances in privacy-secure computation and user-centric data control, the AI data community framework has the potential to democratize this type of innovation across industries, so that smaller manufacturers don't have to sit on the sidelines of the AI revolution. With AI data communities, small and mid-sized manufacturers can join forces, stay secure, and benefit from the innovative advances in artificial intelligence on their own terms.